Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about arrays, which are one of the most important data structures in TypeScript. So this is how you define an array. So I'm going to define an array of type numbers. So in order to add elements to an array, you have the push method. So by using the push method, you add elements at the end of the array. And in order to remove elements from the array, you have two methods. You have the shift. So the shift method removes elements from the beginning of the array, and the pop method removes elements at the end of the array. So let me show you by an example. If I say numbers push 8, this is the result of this operation console log. So you can see that the element is added at the end of the array. Let's say I want to remove the element from the end of the array. All I need to do is numbers pop if I run it, you can see that now 6 is removed from the array. So if I want to remove an element from the beginning of the array, I can just use the shift method. Console.log numbers. You can see that one is no longer from the one. You can see that one is no longer in the array. So now let's create a custom interface. I'll name it user. It is going to have two properties, ID of type string and then name of type string. Say const users of type users here. So here I can have there are actually two ways of specifying the type of an array. I can use the square brackets, or I can use the array method with diamond brackets, and inside I can say user. So I'll just use the first one, which is a bit simpler. Users, and I'll say this. So now I want to show you how to iterate an array. So I'll start with the for loop. You can say let I is equals to 0, I less than users dot length, I plus plus console.log users. Alright. If I run this, so this is the first way of iterating an array. And the second way of iterating an array with a for loop, say let user of users console.log user, and if I run it, you see I have the same result. Let me clear my log. So the third way of iterating an array is to use the array itself by saying users dot for each. So the for each method takes in a callback function. So I'll say user here console.log, and I'll say user. Say run, and also I can actually create this callback function before. Say const log user. This will check user of type user like this, and console.log user. So in the for each method, I can replace the callback function with log user here. Let me clear the logs. So if I run it, I actually have the same result. So there you have it, guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section, and I will respond to you. Bye bye.